Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So as you guys know, I'm in the process of modding the 2016 Mercedes C300 W205 project car. And in my last video, I really want your feedback on what grille should go onto this car. So if you haven't done it already, make sure you go to that video and vote. But in today's video, I want you guys to give me your feedback on what spoiler I should get for the car. Currently, the spoiler on the car is pretty plain. It's painted white. It's just a normal Decklid spoiler. My wife and I really want to get something that's a little more flashy, so we're thinking carbon fiber, but also at the same time, we want something very low profile. So here are the three options for you guys to vote on. Option 1, it's essentially similar to the stock spoiler, but it's a carbon fiber spoiler. I think this will look pretty subtle, but at the same time, give the car a nice aftermarket look. Option 2, it's very similar to option 1, but it has a little higher kick, and also there's kind of like these side little, I don't know, extensions that go on the side of the trunk. I don't know how I feel about this, hence why I'm asking you guys. And the last option is option 3, and that is called the PSM spoiler. It's essentially a carbon fiber spoiler that kind of tapers towards the center, and then it has a really aggressive duckbill. So those are the three options. Make sure you vote in the comment section below. And just like the grill video, in about 7 days, I'm gonna total up all the votes. Whatever comes out on top, that's a spoiler I'm gonna buy and make a video on. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.